Hi, I am Hadeed Ullah. I am a senior UI UX and a product designer. What that means, I don't only deliver beautiful Figma files, I deliver Figma files that derive conversion, cut development cost. I am here to bridge the gap between brilliant UX and developer ready code. As a UI UX designer, my goal is to increase workflow efficiency, conversion rate, and reduce user drop off, development time, and cost. Now let me quickly show you the impact I have made on the complex projects I have recently completed. At Paid, I have recently led the merge of our two sister products, Talentra and AfterHire. With my team, we have unified these products and revamped the whole experience that reduces the user drop-off by 20%. I have built Titan Fusion from scratch. It manages threats and alerts as a SaaS solution. Now serve as for the global clients like FIFA, Coca-Cola, and Verizon. Bayfigure is a fintech application specifically designed to empower migrants by providing an easy, convenient, and cost-effective solution for their financial needs. We have Verify focusing on revolutionizing talent acquisition through a sleek, AI-powered platform. I have led the overall experience of the product and transformed a lengthy subjective process into a streamlined objective workflow, delivering a smarter, faster hiring process for the business.